I've had you for a long time, but it's just time for you to go. Welcome to Sikbaggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve, and we got a special video for you. This is actually going to be a series of videos. Now, when we originally started this channel, we had this 2014 Street Glide back here, and it was pretty much 98% bone stock. And we've taken it from bone stock, and it's been a long road over the last 4 years, but we've taken it from bone stock and we've made it into this bike here. So this bike was literally the start of our YouTube channel. So 4 years ago, we started with that stock bike, turned it into this, and every single part that we've put on this bike has been done on a YouTube video, either on our channel or over on the Advan Black channel. All of the Advan Black parts that are on this bike, we did install videos over there on the Advan Black channel, and all of the rest of the bike was done here on the Sikbaggers channel. Maybe you know this and maybe you don't, but Advan Black just released color combo sets. So you can actually get a discount if you wanted to change the color of your entire bike. And there's a couple of different sets on there. You got a basic set that's going to cover your basic tins on your bike. So what that's going to do, if you buy the basic set or the premium set, you're going to change the entire color of your bike with this tin set, but you order it as a combo and you're going to get a discount for that. Down in the description, I'll put a link of the combo set so you can check those out. Now, we've been teasing around a little bit on the social media platforms about changing the color of the bike, and giving you the opportunity to guess what color we're going to be changing the bike. Well, what color are we going to be changing the bike? So far, no one has guessed the color that we're choosing. Hopefully at the end of this, you'll agree with me that it is one sick color. It is a Harley Davidson color. It was only released 1 year. There's a couple of tips or hints I'm gonna give you, but I'm not gonna tell you just yet. I know you're gonna have to wait until the next video to see what color it's gonna be. This video is just gonna be to show you how easy it is to take all of this stuff off your bike. We got some blankets laid out over there because we've got all of our new parts over there still in the box. Once we get those parts unboxed, we'll put those parts back in the boxes so we can preserve those parts. Now, if you wanted to change the entire color of your bike, you can do this, and you can do this at home. Over on the Advan Black YouTube channel, I've got install videos on all of these parts. So my point is, you don't need to take this to a shop to have this done. And there's a couple of different reasons why you'd want to change the color of your bike. Maybe you're like me. I have absolutely fell in love with this color now that I've had it 4 years, but when I first bought it, I didn't exactly buy it because I liked the color. We ended up buying this bike because it was a really good deal. It was just one of those deals that you couldn't pass up. Maybe you bought a Vivid Black Harley Davidson and you realize there's about 190 other colors that Harley paints, and maybe you just want to change the color of your bike. I'm just teasing you Vivid Black guys out there. I know I like Vivid Black. I just don't. Man, you walk past a Vivid Black bike and fart the wrong way, it scratches the paint. So not a big fan of anything black, but hey, I had to give you Vivid Black guys a hard time. But all jokes aside, today's video, we're going to show you how easy it is to take all this stuff off your bike. One of the videos that we don't have on the Advan Black YouTube channel is the Street Glide interfering video. So in the series of videos today, will be the first one, be just stripping the bike down. The second video, you will absolutely start seeing the color, and then we'll start putting the bike back together. Now, some of these pieces don't justify an entire video. You know, outer fairings, a few bolts, front fenders, 4 bolts, the side covers just pop on, just stuff like that don't justify an entire video. But, so let's get started with this one. I'm gonna start stripping everything off this bike, and we'll get it over there on the floor. So that's everything off of the Street Glide except for the inner fairing. And like I said in the beginning of the video, we're gonna do a standalone video on the inner fairing, how to remove it and how to put it back on. Now you watch that whole process there sped up so you didn't have to painstakingly sit there and watch me take off every single part on the bike. Of course, with the color swap, the tank doesn't come off because you saw that we had a tank cover on there, and we're gonna be putting a tank cover back on there. So the tank will stay to charcoal pearl and it'll stay on here. And what we have left is this big pile of charcoal pearl tins here on the floor on our blankets. And you can see some of the boxes over here of the stuff that we're going to be putting back on the bike. And you may opt to not change your inner fairing at all, but we're going to be doing a separate video on the inner fairing because this is a lot more detailed and we don't have a real good Street Glide inner fairing removal video out there. So we'll be doing that step by step in the next video. So don't forget to check out the next video where we will be actually doing the Street Glide inner fairing. That's what's cool about anything that we sell over at Advan Black. You can take any part that we have in any color that we do and actually paint it that color. So if you're wanting to revamp the color of your bike, this is going to be your best option. It's a whole combo kit, and like I said, there's a couple of combo kits in there that you can choose from. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video where we dive into this inner fairing, and then you'll get to see the color that we pick. But I'm pretty sure I got a good one. I'm going to get it on here, and hopefully all the chrome will accent that color as well. So I'm going to get out of here and get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe popping up over here. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel because we have a ton of bagger related and soft tail videos on our channel. And to get you started, maybe you can check out this one or this one. I'm not really going to say anything else. You can just click one of those and take you over to another video.